Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube Studio and opening the audio library right now. Once there, filter for the licensed tracks. Choose either YouTube Audio Library or Creative Commons, depending on your needs. Download the chosen file and immediately copy the attribution text if required. Next, save the file with a clear name and keep the license note with the asset. This guarantees you have both the audio and the legal text before you import into your project. You import the licensed audio into your video editor and place it on the timeline where it supports the visuals. Once done, balance levels, duck the music under dialogue and try starting at around -6 decibels, then tweak for clarity. Make edit cuts at musical cues and mark timecodes for the start and end of the license segment so you can copy them into the description. Also, keep the original license text handy in case you need to prove compliance later. You upload the finished video and paste the exact license or attribution text into the description where viewers and systems can find it. Make sure to select monetization and reuse settings correctly. Creative Commons grants reuse, whereas YouTube Standard does not. Once live, monitor content ID and copyright claims. If a claim appears, respond by submitting the license proof or removing the track and replacing it. If nothing else works, swap to another licensed track and re-upload to a...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.